In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve reports in Expensify. If you're a manager, a team lead, or anyone responsible for reviewing expenses, knowing how to quickly approve reports in Expensify can really streamline your workflow. I'll walk you through the process step by step, keeping it simple and clear so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Expensify in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the navigation menu, usually found on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, you'll want to click on the section labeled Reports. This is where Expensify groups together collections of expenses that people have submitted for review and reimbursement. Think of each report as a packet of related expenses that needs your approval. After you click on Reports, you'll see a list of available reports. These may include reports that are open, submitted, approved, or reimbursed, depending on your permissions and what your team is using. For the purpose of approving expenses, you're interested in those that are awaiting your review. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the filters and sorting options here, since they can help you find the most recent or most urgent reports first. Next, to take a closer look at the individual expenses within those reports, click on Expenses. This section shows you the individual line items that make up the reports. You'll see details like the date, merchant, amount, category, and any comments or attached receipts. This is useful when you want to verify that each expense is valid and follows your company's policies before you approve the overall report. Now it's time to approve. On the report or expense list, you'll typically see an Approve button. If you're confident the information is accurate, you can click Approve right from that list view. Alternatively, if you'd like to double check the details first, click on the specific expense or report to open it. Inside, you can scroll through each item, check receipts, and confirm that everything looks correct. When you're ready, click on Approve within that detailed view. Once you've done that, Expensify will update the status to show that the report or expense is approved, and it will move along to the next step in your company's reimbursement or accounting process. That's all there is to it. Open reports, review your expenses, and